Hello class. In this video lecture, I will start your new chapter Carbon and its compounds. Carbon is a simple element which is found in the earth crust and also in the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide gas. It is a non-metal and the percentage of carbon found in the atmosphere is very less. The name carbon was kept of this element as the main constituent of coal is carbon and is named as carbo in Latin language. That's why carbon is named such as this name. Okay. The amount of carbon present in the earth crust and atmosphere is very less, about 4%. For example, the earth crust contains only 0.02% carbon, and the carbon is the form of minerals like carbonates, like marble, etc. Okay. Now, carbon is the main element of the periodic table because the number of carbon compounds is very large. As you know, the number of carbon compounds is about 10 millions. Okay, so due to very large number of compounds, it is very essential to make a new branch of chemistry which will lead all the study regarding the compounds of carbon. So one question arises here, that why a large number of carbon present in the nature. A large number of things which we use in the daily life are made up of carbon. For example, plastic, petroleum, wood, each and everything consists carbon. The main uh, component of the compounds found in our body also have the carbon. That's why carbon is the element of organ. That's why this element also known as organic element, and the compounds made up of carbon are called organic compound. A different branch of chemistry which is totally uh, made for the study of the carbon compounds is known as organic chemistry. And the question, why does such large number of carbon compounds are found? So here there is some solutions or some points which will explain why such a large number of carbon compound is formed. The very first point is carbon always formed कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि कार्बन एक नॉन मेटल है और नॉन मेटल हमेशा कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड ही बनाते हैं. कार्बन इज टेट्रावेलेंट. As you know very well that carbon has the atomic number 6 and electronic configuration 2,4. That's why it has the valency 4, and the 4 valency is also known as tetravalency, and then carbon is known as tetravalent. So the joining capability of the carbon is from four sides. It is a very important cause. That's why the such large number of carbon compound is formed. The second and very important and unique property of carbon element is the self combination. Self combination means in which the carbon element joined by the same or identical element, that is carbon. What is the self combination? Self combination is also known as the catenation, विच इज अ वर्सेटाइल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कार्बन। वैसे तो कैटनेशन बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स शो करते हैं, जैसे कि हाइड्रोजन हो गया, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक लिमिट है कि ये ज़्यादा में ज़्यादा 2 या 3 या बहुत ज़्यादा सल्फर के अगर हम कंपाउंड देखें तो वो 8 टाइम्स ऐड होकर S8 बना लेता है। बट इन केस ऑफ कार्बन there is no limit of the atoms of carbon to join together. This is because the size of carbon atom, it is very small in size. That's why it has the property of catenation. In its group, the carbon group, only and only carbon shows such type of property, which is known as catenation. And catenation is what? Catenation is the property of self-linking. The self-linking property of element, due to which a large number of its atom can be linked with each other by covalent bond. As you know, carbon is a non-metal, so it will form always the covalent bond. Covalent bond means the bond formed by the sharing of electrons. Now it has it made it prepare a large number of compound in the form of different type of compounds, such as long chain compounds, in which you can see here long chain compound, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, these are long chain compound where there is no any type of branch is attached with it. The next is branched compound, in which some branches are attached with the long chain, and here there is a bunch of ring compounds present of carbon element. Ring compound means 3 carbon compound, 4 carbon compound, 5 carbon compound, and 6 carbon compound, all are present in the shape of a ring. That's why these components, these compounds of carbon are known as ring compounds. The next very important property of carbon, due to which carbon show the large number of compounds, is isomerism and isomers of carbon. What is the isomer and what is the property of isomerism? Isomerism is a very important property of organic compound, in which the organic compound having same molecular formula but different molecular atomic arrangement, means ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी जिसमें ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड सेम मोलिकुलर फार्मूला रखते हुए भी डिफरेंट टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर शो करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो डिफरेंट टाइप के कंपाउंड विद डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज, फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज प्रिपेयर करते हैं. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज आइसोमेरिज्म, एंड द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड हैविंग सेम मोलिकुलर फार्मूला and different arrangement are known as isomers. Okay, now isomerism is possible in carbon compound which are also known as hydrocarbon, in the case when there is only the 4 carbon are present in a compound. means isomerism कोई भी कार्बन कंपाउंड तभी शो करेगा जब उसमें कम से कम 4 कार्बन प्रेजेंट होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं बात करूं मीथेन की, तो मीथेन इज अ 1 कार्बन कंपाउंड, इथेन इज 2 कार्बन कंपाउंड, प्रोपेन इज 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड. सो ऑल दीज 3 विल नॉट शो द प्रॉपर्टी आइसोमेरिज्म. Isomerism is only started from the 4 carbon compound and more than 4, means the isomerism, the property of different compounds having same molecular formula, is started in the organic compound of carbon, in which carbon is mainly present, starting from the butane. Butane is the carbon compound having 4 carbon atoms. Okay, it is an example of isomers, in which you can see here it is a straight chain of carbon atoms in which hydrogen are filled to uh, complete the valency of carbon. एंड नाउ दिस इज अ सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ द ब्यूटेन, जैसा कि मैंने आपको क्लास में भी समझाया हुआ है, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Okay, the name of this carbon compound is N-butane or simply butane. Butane means 4 carbon compounds. Molecular formula C4H10. Now this molecular formula can be represented in 2 ways, either in normal butane or in the form of isobutane, which is also known as 2-methyl propane. कैसे कि इस 4 कार्बन के चेन को हम 2 तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, एक तो लॉन्ग चेन की फॉर्म में और एक ब्रांच्ड चेन की फॉर्म में. बाद में इन कार्बन्स में हम इनकी 4 वैलेंसी कंप्लीट करने के लिए इसमें हम जगह जगह हाइड्रोजन को फिल कर देते हैं उसकी वैलेंसी के हिसाब से, एंड देन वी कैन फाइंड द 2 डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स हैविंग ओनली one formula C4H10. That's why all these 2 will known as the isomers of each other, and the properties due to which the same molecular formula and different structure is known as the isomerism. Okay class, in the next class I will discuss a very important property of carbon compound, that is allotropes of carbon, in which you will study about the different allotropes of carbon like graphite and diamond, and also about the Buckminster fullerene. Thank you.